Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be upgrading our stock reverse lights or backup lights. I went ahead and picked up some T15 LED replacement lights that we should be able to just snap right in there. First, let's go ahead and take a look at what the reverse lights will look like. As you can see, I actually just had my taillights tinted, so I want to go ahead and see what the difference between the OEM light and these LEDs is going to be. Let's go ahead and take a look at that now. To access the ports where these lights are, we have to take our trunk liner down. So we're going to use our detailing tool to pry out these clips. And then if you separate the handle here in the middle, you'll see that there are two Phillips head screws to unscrew. Once you've removed the liner, go ahead and locate the reversing light. It should be the one that's closest to you. And then you're just going to give it a turn and pull down out of the socket. And to remove the bulb, you're simply just going to snap it out. Here's our new light. We're gonna go ahead and pop that wedge right into this little connector right here. And then we're just going to feed it right back up into the little socket that it came out of. And then we're going to twist it into place. Get those wires out of the way until it clicks back in, and that's it. We've got to put the liner back in now. Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and see how our hard work has paid off. That looks so much better to me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the lights or the install, let me know down in the comments. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below if you want to get some of these for your car and do the upgrade. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. Don't forget to check out another one on the channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.